Hey everyone, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1950 Ford F1. Just a sharp, great looking beige, simple, gorgeous, I love it. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video, and you don't miss out on the car or truck of your dreams. And the purpose of these virtual test drive videos for you to get a look of the vehicle outside in the sun, try to virtually put you in the driver's seat. So when you go to make this purchase, you have a lot of knowledge and you're not coming in here blind. For all other information, the specs on the engine, rebuild date, anything like that, 100 or so extra pictures, the undercarriage, interior, engine compartment, go on over to volocars.com when we're done here. Gosh, she's beautiful. All right, let's get on in. Door opens real easy. The interior looks great. It just works with this whole car. Or truck, rather. Seats are comfortable. Got a couple cup holders. Got your gauge cluster up here. Updated radio. These seats are comfortable. I'll say that. All right, let's go ahead and see if I can get this seat belt on. Where do we put it? There it is. Sorry about that, folks. All right, start her up. Sounds great starting up. See, you got your fuel gauge, battery, speedometer, engine temp, oil pressure. Even has cruise control in here. Has AC. Blowing nice. Little tachometer there, updated radio, turns on. Nice little speakers in here. I love everything about this. The only thing I'm seeing is a little bit of that hung down. We can put that back up. Look, it's already sticking. This truck looks great. I work in the shop here. This is the first time myself or any of us have had a chance to really get in it, look at it, and get it on the road. So we're going to be experiencing everything together. We're going to start out just getting used to it, and then I'll open it up a little bit towards the end. Let's go for a ride. Tilt wheel's a nice feature too. Pretty spacious too. The tilt wheel just kind of gives you a little bit of extra, but I'm 5'11" and I fit in here perfect. See, the speedo's working, tachometer's working. Everything seems great order. The inside paint is just as nice as the outside. No play in the steering wheel. Drives nice and straight. Brakes feel really good too. It's a big thing with classic cars. Sometimes people have it set to their liking, so maybe a little bit, a little hard, a little soft. This one feels just like a brand new car. And quiet down that little bumpy road there. I didn't hear a single rattle. Love these old trucks. Good visibility. This really put in some nice work. A lot of notice to details. away from the outside noise. I really don't hear much at all. Steer smooth, easy. Let's let the van get a little bit ahead of us. Here it's shifting nicely, easy to control, just going down the road. I love every single little thing about this truck. I hope you do too. Like I said, if you haven't already, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications. And right now is the time to head on over to volocars.com to see all the great pictures we have, all the detailed write-up and sales price, and then give our sales department a call. As always, I appreciate you.